Alright y'all, it's Seriously Quisha back with another video, and today is gonna be a wash and go type day. So if y'all remember, I tried these products in a previous video and I didn't really like them, so today I'm gonna be using them on a wash and go. Since I got a little haircut, so I want to see how good these products really are, because I have seen people use these products and have bomb results, so you know, I'm trying to give them a little redemption. But I think I did like the shampoo and conditioner. Either I didn't like the milk or the finer gel, or it just didn't do anything. I really don't remember. But I'm gonna be trying them again. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shampoo and the conditioner, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back from washing my hair. I had to do some laundry, so that's why my hair is a little dry. I swear it's only been less than 5 minutes and it's already getting dry. So that's why I got this water bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and section it. So this is with no product on, freshly washed. So let's just spray it. I need it to be wet for washing though. Smooth that water in there. Alright, so I got it pretty wet. So first I'm gonna go in with the curl milk. It's a curl milk and detangler, so I'm gonna go in with that. That's how much I'm using. Okay, my hair do feel a little detangled because I didn't detangle it while I was shampooing it. This is how I was looking with the curl milk and detangler. Now I'm gonna go in with the curl defining gel. My last video, people were recommending this brush, so I picked it up. So I'm gonna be using that. So I'm probably use this much. Instead of applying a down motion, okay. My hair feels good with the product so far. I love to do the praying method on my hair too. I'm just trying to put some more on my roots because my roots are usually super puffy. So I'm gonna split that and go in. Some roots. Okay. So now I'm gonna use the brush. Okay, so this is how the curls are looking without using a brush, and that's looking pretty good. So, and as you can see, it is literally gliding. So yeah, this better be a bomb wash and go. Do y'all see that? Yes, my hair loves this brush. So after I do that, I'm just gonna do the right method. I mean the praying hand method. Okay, so I'm finished with this section. Not gonna touch it. I'm gonna just go to this side. So I just finished this section. I didn't use a brush, but look how it looks. Like, I like this. So this side is flat, but this back here is kind of puffy. So I'm thinking maybe it's because I went in with the brush. So I'm just gonna add more water and a little bit more gel. Try to smooth it, cause it's probably my roots back here. I think that's why they say it's best to work in small sections when you're doing a wash and go. So, and use a lot of water. One side down. I'm gonna go this side.
Doing a video?
I'm just recording myself with the
Oh, I didn't know the camera was running. The problem was I didn't know.
Gosh, y'all. So I'm done, but I went looking everywhere for this diffuser piece. So now I'm gonna go in and try to get it as dry as I can with this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done diffusing. It's probably 95% dry. I don't really feel many damp spots. So this is how it's looking. It's okay. It's better than last time for sure. The curls are definitely popping. So I'm just gonna stretch it out, and then I'm gonna decide if I wanna try to break the gel cast with this. It's one of my favorite oils from the Main Choice. So yeah. So I'm just gonna change out the piece to this. So my hair is pretty much done, so I'm just gonna go in with this oil from Edge Infinity on my scalp. Since I did use the blow dryer, I don't want it to be dry. And I do love this oil. It smells just like coffee. So if you don't like coffee smell, this ain't for you. But it really smells just like coffee beans, and I love it. I think I might just be in love with this wash and go. Seriously. Cause look at it. I would separate some of the curls, but I'm gonna leave it alone because I do want it to last a little bit. So what y'all think of the wash and go? So this is how it's looking after I done blow dried it. Well, I diffused it like 95, probably like 98%. Then I went in with the concentrated, I think it's called a concentrated nozzle, I don't know. So I kind of like, you know, stretched it out from there. And this is what we looking like. We out 360. So yes, this is, and it feels good, but I am gonna go in with a little oil, probably about that much. So just gonna scrunch it onto the curls. So I can say these products are good. Just look at my hair. I don't know what I did last time, but this time the results are, you know, boom. So I didn't really use the brush. I used it on the back section. I mean, the back section did come out good too, but I really just liked it to use the praying method and kind of rake my fingers through the curls. And I think I did really good. So that wraps up the end of this video. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I see you guys in the next one.